We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Are you lost in this base world, jostled by the crowd like a weary man whose eyes, looking backwards into the depths of the years, sees only disillusion and bitterness, and looking ahead only a tempest which contains nothing new, neither instruction nor pain? Capitalism makes humans stunted, short-lived, swiftly replacing each other, replaceable like the parts of a machine, grouped together by names, not identities. Let us help you. Enter the Magic Circle. Ideologies are the rules of humanity, and the Magic Circle is the latest in ideology simulation software. With our new system, you can access any alternative reality. You can access any system of social rules and live in any ideology you please. Wade Owen Watts, known to many as Parzival and the winner of Holiday's Easter egg in Oasis, founded the Magic Circle with his company, WOW, as a response to IOI's recent monopolization of simulation. The Magic Circle isn't a game. The rules of Magic Circle are simple. There are no goals or rules. Rather, you make your own goals and rules and the system responds to them. Enter the world and write your own rules based on your desired ideology. Next, live in that system of rules. Here, you can voluntarily attempt to overcome the obstacles in your own life or the lives of those around you. Maybe you want to live in your favorite novel, to live like Jack and see through the eyes of a child who has never seen anything else. Or maybe you just want to see if your zombie survival plan will actually work. Now you can. The Magic Circle looks a lot like the real world, with familiar iconography that mixes familiarity with novelty. You interact with the world you've created, and live in by interacting with the system you designed. You use your own moral reasoning to create the ethics of the game experience, whether they're the same as the real world or unique to the Magic Circle. The Magic Circle has two functions, open and close. In the open system, you design a world where you use your current ethical system in relation to the world. The world encourages your behavior and responds accordingly, rewarding ethical behavior and punishing unethical behavior. In the closed function, you experience the other. You must adopt the ethics of the world you created and see the world through different eyes. Parzival's message to you is clear. Don't let the web of corporations and society dictate your life. Be the producer of your own image. Write your own story. Create your own game. Make your own rules so you don't have to break the rules of others. Don't let the corporation control your interactivity. Don't let them dictate your human connections. Don't give them your power of ideology. Already the institution that holds the web of production. Live authentically in your own worldview, separate from the capitalist system, producers, and consumers. Be your own producer. Play.